hopefully now everybody has a really good idea of how the course Blackboard works, what my expectations are, and have a good idea of how you're going to navigate this class. I want to give you a few pointers as far as really succeeding in my class. Number one, stay engaged in our weekly discussions. This is really what it's all about. The discussion board is where the learning occurs. So if you're engaged, you're going to learn more. It's that simple. An internet course really is very interactive. You've got to stay engaged, and it's really a two-way street between the instructor, who really is the guide, the facilitator, a moderator of our weekly discussions. So stay engaged. Show me you're making an effort. That's all I ask. Show me you're making an effort, and you're going to do great in the class. Also, attribute your sources if you do not paraphrase. Do not plagiarize in this class. And I'm also looking for you to incorporate art images into your essays and your weekly posts. Now, when you respond to another student, do not just say, "Good job, John," "Well done." These type of things don't really reinforce the response that the other student is giving on the discussion board. So add a little bit more to it. Add something to their response. Elaborate upon it. These are the types of things I'm looking for, and these are the type of things you'll make sure that you get an A for that discussion topic. I love this stuff. I love art. I love teaching it. I've been doing it for a really long time, as you can see. And let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. Let's learn. And I'm on this journey with you. I learn a great deal from my students every semester. So let's have some fun with this, and I look forward to engaging you in our weekly topics. Read the material, do some research, bring something new to our discussion topics. Okay, don't just throw the lecture material right back at me or each other. We don't really learn that way. Okay, so good luck. Feel free to contact me via email, have any questions, and I really look forward to taking you on this journey through art through the ages. Good luck.